It's mid-March in Michigan. It's approaching 50 degrees. The sun is shining. Blue skies are out. Where else would I be but taking advantage of it by getting out and trying to do some hiking, see what's going on, with spring trying to pop out here in Michigan. I'm at Lake Lansing Park North. It's a Ingham County Park, part of the county and township park systems we have here in mid-Michigan that we really are pretty blessed to have. There's been a lot of development that a lot of us are upset about lately, but the reality is we still have a lot of cool places to be. It's not very pretty this time of year, I suppose, with a lot of brown still around here, but the snow is almost gone, and the birds are starting to chirp, and it's time to get outside more. Yes, it's mid-March. Yes, that is snow. But that's Michigan for you. You've got snow. We have frozen water, mud, and open water. But we don't care today because we also have sunshine. Here's a sure sign of spring approaching in Michigan. The trails that you're hiking on that have been used for skiing the past few months are now starting to reveal gloves left abandoned. That was a big fella that we lost.